Hi there, Geoff Coughlin, Scale Modelling Now. I've just received this copy of the Special Hobby 72nd scale short Sunderland Mk.V, and I have to say I've been waiting to get this kit for some time now, and it absolutely looks the part. Very excited by it, to be honest. So what I wanted to do with this short review is really a chance to take you inside the box, have a look at what's available in there, look at some of the options, look at some of the detail, make any other observations that I think might be useful, and that gives you a chance to see exactly what's on offer if you're thinking about buying this kit. So let's just move the box out of the way. Nice big sturdy box, get that right out over there, and let's start looking at the plastic. Well, first of all, of course, I'm up for looking at panel line detail. What does that look like? Because what have we had so far? We've had the really old Airfix kit, which, faithful reproduction as it is very old now and was in great need of updating, I think. Then came the Teleri kit in 72nd scale. Gotta be honest, I just thought that was a massive disappointment. Ever so sorry to a Teleri for that, but we've got a full build of it in Scale Modelling Now, so check that out. Les did a really good job with it. He did the best he could, but I just think those big, deep panel lines really kind of took away from the effect of the completed model. And now we've got a Mk.V, and really good it is to see. So just check this out. Have a look here. What we've got, some beautifully recessed panel lines. Really, really like the look of those, how they're moulded. Everything's crisp, which is really good. And what have we got? So when you turn it over, straight away you notice you've got all this lovely interior detail, all beautifully moulded on. This is going to look nice, I think, when it's painted. So good shape, certainly looks good so far. Let's go have a look at all these other parts. What have we got? We've got what looks like a separate rudder, I think it will be. We've got integral elevators. Those are not positionable, but you've got some nice big spars here which are going to help line up the wings, which of course are not exactly small on a short Sunderland, but nice detail looking on the tops of these wings here. I haven't got any plans or drawings, but certainly the overall representation looks authentic to me. I mean, I remember these big ovals being on the real thing, so that's good to see. You've got moving across, lovely little instrument panel here, which is looking good. Lovely little raised detail there. These separate optional sort of upper sections which you can drop in, which look good. So you can see here, just coming back to the main fuselage, you've got these spaces here where you've got these optional upper panels, depending on the fit of the particular aircraft you're looking at, can go. So that's interesting. And of course, even there, you've got one of those with that interior detail moulded on too. Just coming across as we're near them, you've got a couple of little engine sprues here with the fronts really nicely moulded here. Some very nice detail going on here, which is good to see. Lovely cylinder head detail there. Let's bring you round. Let's have a look over here. What else have we got? Lovely internal detail here. Some super stuff going on. Look at all this corrugation in the floor, which looks great. Got some good bulkhead detail here, which is nice. All of that's exciting when you think about what could transpire with a completed model. Got various racks, I think, here for the weapons, a little ladder. You've got some bombs here, or yeah, there were bomb stroke depth charge things that used to come out on the runners, just on the underside of the wing roots, the main wing roots, just to swing out on their racks. And then, of course, over here, look at this. You've got some beautiful detail for the beaching gear, which is nice to see. Let's see that over here. Got some beaching gear here. Various radar antennae and so on. There's a whole bunch of instructions given or detail given in the instruction booklet which suggests which parts are appropriate and which are not, so that does suggest there will be some other versions perhaps of this aircraft coming out, which would be massive. Really excited about that. And yeah, some lovely detail there on the props. They certainly look good too. So, what else have we got? Let's go and have a look at the transparencies, the clear transparencies. Well, as you can see here, these are beautifully moulded. They're really crisp, and they've got some very nice framing on the clear parts, which is good to see there. So I'm excited by that. Even got a little bit of resin here, a little resin sort of antenna thing that sits on top of the fuselage, just behind the cockpit. And then you've got here some little photo etch parts too, which I'm pretty sure are the actuators for the elevators that sit on top of the wing, or underneath the wing, I should say. So I think that's where those live. And you've probably seen here, you've got this super cartograph decal sheet. And just looking at that for a second, what we got? Yeah, lovely colouring on here. You've got what seems to me correct colouring here for the different types of roundels. You've got a French aircraft, which again is excellent to see, French naval aircraft to see. Lovely artwork going on there. All of those decals look to be beautifully moulded in really, yeah, absolutely superb actually. Well, there is no carrier film, and they look as if they're going to go on perfectly by the sand. And look of those. So, wow, that is a very quick look, but what a nice model this does appear to be. Absolutely super, I think. I just pray and hope it all goes together nicely. No reason on the planet to think that it won't, and I just think it's really exciting to think at last we've got a really beautifully detailed, state-of-the-art short Sunderland flying boat in 72nd scale.